The Pixel Fold may use a Samsung display and side-mounted fingerprint sensor. Google Pixel Fold has been in the news for quite a while now. It is the highly anticipated and first foldable device from Google. It is expected to be announced at Google I/O this year alongside the Pixel 7 series and the new Pixel Watch. However, the Pixel Fold remained unfolded during the event, and new leaks and rumors have floated ever since. Now there's more news coming from 91 Mobiles, which suggests what to expect from the first foldable phone from Google. The report, in collaboration with developer Kubo Wojciechowski, unveils the expected specifications and display features of the alleged Pixel Fold smartphone. Firstly, the device internally is said to be called Felix, and it comes with Samsung-made displays for both internal and external screens. The Felix will feature an inward folding screen similar to the latest Galaxy Z Fold 4. It is said to come with 1840 by 2208 resolution and measures 123mm by 148mm. Further, we can expect a peak brightness of up to 1200 nits next to higher refresh rates as well. We don't know the measurements of the screen, but going by the leaked resolution, it hints at a slightly wider but shorter outer screen compared to Samsung's 6.2-inch display on the Fold 4. One rumor now suggests that the Pixel Fold could have a novel solution to avoiding the notch. The rumor suggests it could have the camera on the bezel of the phone, or it could do away with the camera altogether when the phone is opened out. This rumor seems to have substance. Google's latest patents show an in-bezel camera instead of a notch or pinhole. This means that the Pixel Fold could opt to forego the under-display camera at the expense of having as little bezel as possible. Any other details about Google's design plans for the Pixel Fold largely come from multiple patent filings the company has made for foldable devices. One such patent shows a device that opens on a hinge to reveal a larger screen, with the ability to slide out an additional display for added screen real estate. Another patent intriguingly teases a foldable that could fold in 3 places. We don't know if these designs are anywhere close to reality. That's the drawback to relying on patents, which may cover products that never see the light of day. However, from the designs being teased in these filings, it seems that whatever Google has in the works has more in common with the Galaxy Z Fold 3 and the way the smartphone-sized device unfolds to reveal a larger display. Adding fuel to that speculation is a report that Google has struck a deal with Samsung to get its hands on foldable OLED panels. In addition, Samsung will reportedly supply Google with its ultra-thin glass layer, which has been a crucial component in making Samsung's own foldables more durable. The display will supposedly also use LTPO technology, meaning that it can scale up to 120 Hz. Given the fact that past Pixel devices have been mainstays among the best camera phones, we'd expect any Pixel Fold that ultimately ships to follow suit and put an emphasis on cameras. Depending on the Pixel Fold's design, Google could add more cameras, but the company seems to favor a less is more approach, instead choosing to focus on offering the best post-processing software for producing better photos. Rumors suggested that there would be only a single 12-megapixel rear camera on the Pixel Fold and 2 front-facing 8-megapixel ones according to data found in the Google Camera app. The single 12-megapixel sensor is disappointing considering the rival Galaxy Z Fold 3 has 3 rear cameras. However, with its software powers, Google may still ensure the Pixel Fold takes the best photos of any foldable. As for those 2 front-facing cameras, it's not clear how they're arranged. The obvious answer would be to have one on the front with an exterior display and another inside on the main unfolded display. However, if there's only a single display on the Pixel Fold, perhaps the 2 cameras act as a main/ultra-wide pair. A recent tweet by leaker and developer Kubo Wojciechowski tweeted mentions the likely camera hardware we might see on the Pixel Fold. This includes a 50-megapixel main camera along with 2 12-megapixel sensors and an 8-megapixel one. Chinese leaker Digital Chat Station on Weibo says that there will be no notch on the Pixel Fold's internal screen. This rumor could be interpreted in 2 ways: that there will be no camera when the phone is opened out, or it could mean that there will be a tiny camera on the bezel of the phone. This rumor doesn't mention any specs of the camera in question. While the actual status of the Google Pixel Fold is still open for debate, we feel the time is right for a Google-made folding phone. The evolution of Android has shown Google can make a slick mobile operating system, especially when the Pixel launcher is added on top. So we relish the idea of that approach being assigned to foldable phones, as software still tends to be the area that's holding them back. If Google can nail that side of things, it could create a foldable phone that sets the template for others to follow, maybe in terms of both hardware and software. Time as ever will tell here, but we're quietly optimistic about the potential the so-called Google Pixel Fold could have. So that's all for today. Hope you enjoyed the video. Share your valuable thoughts on what you expect from Pixel devices in future. See you for the next time. Peace out.